Hey y'all, I'm back with entry number 9. Can you believe it? I can't. I'm just, y'all, I can't thank you enough. This entry comes from a dear, dear friend, and most of y'all know her, but if not, please go check her out. I adore her. I love her, and we have definitely become friends, and we definitely chit chat, and so I love that. And like me, she's a football fan. Not the same team, but hey, that's okay. This is Rosita Brown here on YouTube. So, sweet Miss Rosita, this package is from her. So, like I said, I received two packages yesterday, and my daughter, Lily, my 14-year-old, she opened both packages and took a peek. I have not. So, I'm about to go in and see this. Now, this one, Lily was oohing and ahhing and saying she was taking something. So, I'm curious to know what it is that she's wanting out of here. So, we will see. And then she kept teasing me, oh, you're going to love it. Oh. And I'm like, would you hush? All right. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep. I know Rosita knows me. Yes, ma'am, she does, because all the blue. I'm seeing blue everywhere, and I'm loving it. Y'all, look at this. Look at this card she made just for you, and look at that beautiful bluebird. She colored it all in. It's so pretty. And she was like, worried about it. Girl, you had nothing to worry about. This is so pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. One thing she did tell me, she said that I could read her letter, but not to show her messy handwriting. I'm not going to show it because she doesn't want me to, but y'all, it is not messy. It is very pretty. Okay, she says, hello, my friend. Here is my entry into supporting your channel/challenge. The pouch is made with sewing paper, pattern paper. Oh my gosh, my memory dex is inside. Oh my gosh, I have seen a couple others videos where she had gifted these. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see. The puzzle pieces can be taken off and used however you wish. Wishing many blessings for you and your family. Thank you for always supporting me and your friendship. Also, the collage book I found at the DT has a lot of papers and stickers and fun things inside. Enjoy. Hugs, XOXO, hugs and love, Rosita. Oh, sweetheart. You know I love and adore you too. She has sent some, it's called Endorments, Fun Fiber for Fabulous Effects. Girl, you know, number one, I love my blue. Love it. Love all these shades. Oh my gosh. And always can use the trim. Oh, thank you, sweetheart, for that. And let's see. We're going to save that. Yeah, I've seen her do these. Y'all, so stinking cute. Let me see if y'all can pick that up. First of all, you see that gorgeous heart? I need to know where you got that die cut, babe. I love that. That's gorgeous. It says, let me see, Wonder, and she has embellished these puzzle pieces. My goodness, Carmen. And she's put, oh my gosh, are those little jewelry spacers? That's so cute. It says Wonder, Happy, Believe, and Family. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, and the paper is gorgeous. Oh, you bet I'm going to be using these. Thank you. You are so talented. You are another one that does not give yourself enough credit. Okay. Oh, wow. Create your own collage. I'm just going to flip through this real quick, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I'm going to have to go a little bit faster because all those stickers. Girl, thank you so much. I am loving this. Oh, my gosh. Do y'all see all that? Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. Girl. Oh, I'm going to have to make something out of that for a special somebody. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Whoa. Did I see some eyelashes? What? Oh, yes, I did. Oops, it's stuck. It's stuck. I apologize. Actually, I'm just going to skip. I'll fix that after camera. Y'all, look at this. This is awesome. I have not seen this anywhere. I haven't even seen anybody haul this. Have you? Y'all, this is like amazing. And that's... this is so useful. Girl, thank you. Thank you, my sweet, sweet friend. I appreciate that so, so much. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Y'all, this is so awesome. You know, she said, of course, she knows that I love blue, but, you know, she said this is out of, what did you say, sewing pattern? Let me double check and make sure. Let's see. Yeah, sewing paper and pattern paper. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Look at all that. Girl, did you, like, decoupage on this? Is that what it is? Like, how do you make it feel that way? And then she stitched the pouch up. And then, of course, you know, got my bling in there. Oh, beautiful flower. Did you make the flower? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Oh, my gosh. This is awesome. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Girl, I'm loving this. You need to do a tutorial on this. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Oh, my. Y'all know I love pink. Look at those little precious flowers. I would say what kind of paper this is, but y'all know me. I love the gold puffy heart. I hope I am picking all this up for y'all. Life is lovely. Yes, it is. Especially when you got friends like you. And all the support all y'all have given me. Oh, you clustered. Is that the same thing? Did you cluster all those together? Wow, that is a cool way to layer. I had never thought about that. And I don't have any of these. What are those called? Did you make that? It's very pearlescent like. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How pretty. Okay, let me pull out her information. Look, and she's got it on a beautiful tag that she has stitched up. Girl. Okay, this is Miss Rosita Brown. She is from Lake Placid, Florida. Yes, she already told me. No, it is not where the movie was created. I believe she said that was actually created in New York. I could be wrong, but I think that's what she said. And then her style is vintage and shabby, and her colors are neutral and pastel. So, awesome. Girl, you didn't send me your birthday. I would like to know it. So, be sure to text me that so I can add that. Because I like sending out things, and you know that about me. So, when your birthday, you may have already told me. And you know me and my brain. I'm so forgetful sometimes. But y'all, look at all this loveliness. I'm so excited. Number 9. And I am so grateful for this book, girl. I'm grateful for it all, actually. Y'all have blessed me beyond belief. I love you, my sweet, sweet Rosita. Oh, thank y'all so much, and each and every one who keeps telling me that they're going to. I have more and more people who keep saying, I'm entering, and I am so grateful to each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much. Thank you all who have already sent in your entries. I'm getting a record down. I've got another share, a blessing that was beyond blessing. And so that probably will be my next video if I can squeeze it in before the next entry. But I feel like that one's going to take a little bit of time. So I want to make sure I give it the credit it deserves. But thank you again, sweetheart. I hope y'all have had a blessed week. We are knocking on the door of the weekend. Yay. So I hope you always stay safe, be blessed, and as always, I wish you the best.